What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chosen on Rising, man, back with another video, man. Look, hey, today we're gonna be talking about, man, how to love your partner without getting attached, man. And this is this is real serious, bro, because a lot of people find themselves getting attached to people. You can love somebody, but just don't get attached, man, because it can lead to some bad things going on in your life. You see what I'm saying? And I'm gonna just be breaking down why. You feel me? I got a couple notes I'm gonna go by, man. You are the soul, man. You can't hold on to things. You see what I'm saying? It's not good to hold on to nothing that you didn't come here with. You feel me, bro? You didn't come here with nothing, bro. Nothing is forever and never is forever, bro. That's for real. You know what I mean? So that's why everything is just built on living in the moment. Live in the moment. You know what I mean? Nothing is forever, bro. And that's just what it is. You gotta just face it. Whether it's death should do your part or it just shit didn't work out. You have to keep it pushing. You gotta keep it rolling. Whatever, yo. Like, however it go, you gotta keep it pushing, bro. You know what I mean? You're gonna lose some good ones. You're gonna miss out on some good ones. That's just what it is. That's what life is about, bro. You feel me? You live and learn from your mistakes, man. If you are attached, man, it will hurt to let it go, man. I mean, I know y'all, let's love people, man. Don't get attached, man. Don't get attached to people. And the way you get attached is when you start to lose yourself in that person, bro. I can love somebody, but I'm not in love with them. You see what I'm saying? In love. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? So anything could go wrong. You know what I mean? You can go through a situation where y'all go back at it, man. Y'all just done, right? And you try to break the finances in half. Are you stable by yourself as an individual, so that if y'all mess up, or if y'all ever break up and something like that, you good on your own? You feel me? Are you good? Are you going to be good on your own? You have to look at it from both sides, man. Don't look at it like, oh man, and let me be on my shit, so let me be on my stuff, so just in case you leave me, bro, or whatever, or let me be on my stuff just in case he leave me or something like that. You know what I mean? You shouldn't be like that, or you shouldn't be like, they're not gonna leave me. He gonna stay here forever. She gonna stay here forever. That's not the attitude that you need to have. You need to have a balanced attitude. Like, okay, whether she or he leave, either or, man, I'm gonna be straight on my own. I'm gonna be straight dolo. You see what I'm saying? Are you taking care of yourself? Are you even if y'all separated, like, are you gonna be able to take care of yourself? Don't get so comfortable and so relied on another life form, because you using another life form to take care of you. You using a person outside of you to do for you. You know what I mean? What can you do for yourself? Don't get attached to people, bro, because people are temporary. Relationships are temporary, bro. Like I said in my past video, if you 76 years old, you think you're gonna be hanging with the same people you was hanging with when you was like 7? No. Things and people and situations change, and as you get better, you need to change. You know what I mean? So in order to love the person and not to get attached, man, you gotta just know that anything can happen. Have a fair thinking. If this don't work out, cool. If this do work out, cool. I'm gonna be straight regardless. You know what I mean? Don't feel like you can't live without that person. Don't fall in love with the person. Love the person. Don't fall in love with the person that you can't live without them. I know it may hurt to see them go or whatever, bro. However they go, but you have to keep that contentment within yourself. You have to know that you are good. You know what I mean? You have to know that you are good, whether if this person stop messing with you or that person stop messing with you, man. You have to learn how to love without being attached, man. Because like I said, if you attach to something, you're not gonna want to let it go. Whether it leaves or dies off or something like that, bro. You're going to go down with it, bro. Not saying you're gonna die with it, but you're gonna go down with it. It's gonna bring your life down. So whenever that thing leave, it's gonna bring your life down. So if that dude leave you, you're gonna be depressed. You don't want to be feeling depressed if somebody leave you, because it's an experience, bro. You gotta just live in the moment. Live in the moment. Live for right now, because shit might be going good right now, but that person can do some crazy shit or something can happen. Anything. I just want y'all to be thinking. You know what I mean? To have a balanced perspective and a point of view on things, bro, because nothing is forever, bro. Never is forever, like I said, and that's just true to the game, bro. Yeah, I have to learn how to know when you're attached, bro. So when you're attached, bro, you kind of find it, like I said, you find yourself not able to let go of that person, or not able to stop what you're doing, like not able to focus on yourself so much, but you're so invested in them, you putting them before you. You know what I mean? Don't get attached to nothing that you didn't come here with, because you can't take none of that money when you die. You can't take none of this stuff, nothing. You can't take nothing when you die, man. You can't take nothing when you die, bro. And you only could keep certain things, bro. And that's you. The only thing that you can keep when you die is your soul, bro. Your soul. You can't take nothing else, bro. So to detach from a situation, bro, you need to, okay, I shouldn't be, this doesn't last forever. Why would I be attached for it? It will negatively bring me down if I'm attached to this person or attached to this thing. If you say in your head, hey man, it's too late, man. Me and my girl locked in, man. I'm attached to her all the way. You need to be able to stand up on your own if you're a dolo. If you're by yourself, like, you need to be able to stand up on your own just in case anything happens, bro. You have to, bro. Don't get so lost in that girl, bro. I'm not saying your relationship gonna end up like everybody else's, bro. But don't get so lost inside of a female that you forget who you truly are, bro. Because these females, you know what I mean? These dudes, these people gonna be out here forever, bro. You know what I mean? People are gonna leave and go. People gonna come out your life and come in your life. And you have to just know how to stand on your own. Can you stand on your own? You can't be attached, bro, because that motherfucker's gonna break off a piece, bro. If you attach, you gonna break off, but you gonna break that motherfucker. You gonna break that wrist off, though. You gonna be attached to the arm, but you gonna end up coming off. You gonna leave with no wrist, basically no hand. You know what I mean, bro? That relationship gonna break off your hand. I'm just using physical examples right now, but I just want y'all to know that you have to let go to grow, bro. You know what I mean? But you can't. The more you hold on to something, bro, the more you hold on to something that's not good for you, bro, the more that you attach to something, whether it's good or bad. Too much of anything is bad for you, bro. You can't just be on your ass if that person leave you, bro. You can't. You have to get yourself together as an individual. The point of a relationship is for two individuals to come together to make a good bond. So you have to be whole within yourself to attract another whole person to create a whole relationship. You feel me? So if you're broken and this person broken, what you think y'all gonna have a puzzle pieces and be y'all gonna put each other puzzle pieces together and then become something? No. Y'all gonna make even more, y'all gonna come out even more broken. You're gonna come out even more broken, even more hurt. Don't jump in a relationship, bro, if you're not finished with that last person. You know what I mean? Like, if you're attached to that last person and you just trying to have sex with people or mess with people just to get over that person, you're gonna come out even more broken, man. Love yourself more than anybody should love you, man. You have to love yourself more than anybody could, bro. You have to be taking care of yourself more than anybody could, bro. Because at the same time, that person, hey, I'm trying to tell you, you saying like it never could be me, but you will be surprised. I don't want y'all to be surprised, bro. Anything can happen. I don't want y'all to be caught up lacking. Now you don't got no boyfriend. Now you don't got no girlfriend. And you don't have anything for yourself, bro. And now, not even that your car or your house or anything else is separated from y'all. It's not just that. It is your heart is still on that person. That your heart is still attached to that person while that person done moved on. That person done moved on while your heart is still attached to them. They're not giving a fuck about nothing they're not caring about nothing you got going on. They're not even caring about you as a person. They're not caring about you as a partner anymore. You gotta just know these things, man, because hey, shit ain't sweet, bro. Just to be real, I'm gonna give you the hardcore truth, bro. What y'all need to take from this video is that you need to be able to be good without that person and with that person. You need to come in a relationship whole. You can love your partner, your boyfriend or girlfriend, you can love them, but at the same time, bro, they're not gonna be here forever. The situation is not gonna be here forever. Whether it's death, whether it's a breakup, you're not gonna be with that person forever. So make sure that your shit is in order. Make sure that your things are in order as an individual, and make sure that you still love that person. Care for that person, bro. Love that person for who they are. Cherish that person. Live in the moment. Cherish that person. Live in the moment, because you don't know what's gonna happen later on, man. Just live in the moment. Whatever's going on, feel them emotions. Live in the moment, bro. But do not let that person leave with your heart still attached. You want to leave out the relationship whole and go in a relationship whole, man. That's all I have to say, man. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Shit like that, man. And make sure that y'all follow me on Instagram, man. Hey, I love y'all, man. It's Children Rising, signing out, man. Bow.